Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. I wanted to take this time to introduce a new page and new feature on my website, www.truenorthvr.com. This is the MetaQuest VR game sales and discount tracker. It's going to be updated daily so you can always stay up to date with which games and apps are on sale on the Meta Store. So on my page, you're going to see a list of games. You're going to be able to sort it by their title. You're going to be able to sort it by their sale price, by the discount percent, by their ratings. And then there's also going to be a link on the side so you can click and be linked right to the Meta Store so you can purchase that as soon as you see it is on sale. So I'm going to be updating this daily as best as I can. You're going to see a timestamp on the top of the chart every single day for when I update that with the time. So sometimes things might be slightly different if a few hours have passed. I will do my best, especially with high traffic times and big sales time, to keep it up to date throughout the day as well. And sometimes I have noticed that sales are location specific. Games that are on sale in the US aren't always on sale in Canada. It isn't a ton, but sometimes that does happen, so make sure you double check those as well. I will be posting this as if I am in the United States. I'll be changing my location because I know most of you following this are there. If you're from other countries, still try it. You'll be able to see if it is on sale or not. And if it isn't, you can always use my promo code TNorthVR to get 10% off of your purchase as well. So I just wanted to update you with that. Bookmark that page. I'll be linking it below for you because I'm going to be updating it all the time so you can always get the best deals on MetaQuest games. If you have any questions about it, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.